Lisa, I know you have that unique ability to connect people together, not only in the networking sense in the business world, but also in the art world. Could you tell me a little bit about what that is and how you do that?
Well, I have been named the connector. It has been something that stuck with me for the last 16 years that I've owned my company, and it's something I'm actually very proud of. I love helping people. I love people not having to go to the internet and look for 6 or 7 different kinds of companies to help them. All they have to do is to come to me. And hence why I put together a little group of, art restoration and art curators and art auction houses. I know every darn realtor in Cleveland. I know CPAs. I know housing inspectors. I know electricians. I know everybody. And it gives me great pride and great comfort to know that people will come to me and I'm able to help them. And it makes my day. I really enjoy being able to help people. It's, I guess, who I really am. It isn't even about money or the business. It's about, again, being able to go to bed at night and know that you have made someone's life just a little bit easier. So I'm very proud of being called the connector. At first I kind of went, what's that name? But I'm happy with the name.
I love it. I absolutely love that about you, Lisa. Thank you.
You're welcome.